Welcome to the channel. Try to complete this without looking ahead, the answers will be revealed at the end. Comment your answers and see how many you got right. Now, let's get into the video. Which bird is renowned for diving at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, making it the fastest member of the animal kingdom during a hunt? What bird undertakes the longest migration on Earth, traveling up to 44,000 miles annually between the Arctic and Antarctic? The common cuckoo lays eggs in other birds' nests, but what clever mimicry ensures the host doesn't eject the intruder? Which bird's population plummeted due to DDT pesticides weakening eggshells, leading to a landmark 1972 U.S. ban that aided recovery? What physiological feat allows ruby-throated hummingbirds to hover like helicopters, beating their wings up to 80 times per second? In the Amazon, which bird's elaborate headdress and dance floor-clearing behavior turns courtship into a spectacle rivaling Broadway? Ancient sailors feared the albatross as a harbinger of doom, but what real-life trait made it a symbol of freedom in Coleridge's Rime of the Ancient Mariner? Which bird's tongue, forked and fringed like a bottle brush, evolved to slurp nectar 13 times faster than a human sip? In arid Australia, how does the budgerigar, budgie, survive by raining from the sky in massive flocks after rare downpours? Flamingos filter feed on algae and shrimp, but why are they pink even on the inside of their bodies, including organs and eggs? Now the answers will be revealed in a few seconds. Compare them with your answers, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. The Peregrine Falcon achieves these astonishing speeds in a stoop, folding its wings to plummet like a missile. This adaptation highlights how evolution favors extreme velocity for survival in aerial predation, challenging our assumptions about graceful flight. The Arctic tern's epic journey exposes it to nearly constant daylight for half the year, raising intriguing questions about how such endurance shapes avian navigation and the impacts of climate change on global flyways. This arms race of deception evolves rapidly, with hosts developing recognition skills, illustrating coevolution's dynamic tension and ethical dilemmas in nature's survival strategies. The bald eagle's rebound from near extinction shows how policy can reverse human harm, but it prompts critical thinking on ongoing threats like lead poisoning in scavengers. This figure-8 motion generates lift bidirectionally, consuming immense energy, equivalent to a human eating 150 pounds of food daily, a testament to metabolic extremes in miniaturization. Males of this species group display, to compete visually, sparking wonder about how rainforest diversity fosters such flamboyance amid intense predation pressures. Dynamic soaring harnesses wind gradients for effortless travel, blending folklore with fact to explore how human stories romanticize, or demonize, avian wanderlust. Adapted for coevolution with flowers, this trait boosts pollination efficiency but raises concerns about habitat loss disrupting these vital plant-animal partnerships. Opportunistic reproduction turns floods into baby booms, exemplifying boom-bust ecology and how birds exploit unpredictability in harsh environments. These pigments, vital for health, fade in captivity without proper food, a vivid example of diet's profound influence, challenging us to consider colorful health in conservation diets. Thanks for watching, see you next time.